Hello everyone. Hello. Hello and welcome in. How are all of you doing? I'm not sideways, but I do have a new little setup for coding. Makes it so that you guys can see a lot more of the screen. So I'm excited about that. I'm not sideways. But yeah, hi everyone. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Sunny, congratulations on being first. Welcome. Apex, welcome in. Super Dick, congratulations on third. Hello, 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 hello. And Witty, congratulations on being second. Congrats, 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 congrats. And welcome in. Yeah, and hi Steph. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Thank you for reminding me I'm cute. Thank you for the reminder. I had almost forgotten. Yeah, hi, Night. Hello, hello. And hi, Steph. And hi, Axolotl. And hi, Mosa. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome. Welcome into a coding stream. So we do light ASMR co-working. This is my second attempt at it. So, still learning a lot. Right now we're working on trying to be able to code Tetris in Godot. So we had it where last time we were able to get all of the global variables down and be able to start having it where we have basic setup for the board. So yeah. And then also we've been assigning assets to the different tetraminos. So whenever we open up a piece data, still just can't see it just a little bit. Dang it. Thought I got it close. Let's see. There we go. I can space it out a little bit more so that you can see just a little bit more there. But we have it where the different tetraminos piece data all corresponds to the different enumerations that we have. So that's cool. Hi cats, welcome in. Welcome in. Also, Sunny, thank you for the 30 days or 30 stream watch streak. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Do greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so after all the yawning, shall we get started? So, really, I'm just going through a tutorial and just working through it on my end, and then I try to talk and explain everything. Last stream was like 2.5 hours, and we got like 25 minutes into the actual tutorial. and it's 2 hours 25 minutes. But we did implement one of the things. There was a fix with the rotation that was caught by someone watching the video, and they wrote a comment. So we already implemented that fix into the code. So I'm happy about that. So we have the enumeration, all the different variables, having wall kicks where all the different wall kicks so that we don't have pieces flying outside the wall area. And then the different variables where I have it load the different resources so that everything's preloaded. And so we continue. And unfortunately, you still won't be able to see the sub-menus that come up. I'm sorry. So we are working on being able to spawn the tetraminos in our grid. So we're naming it Piece Spawner, and we are going to attach a script to the node. It's going to be called so we're going to get Piece Spawner. Okay, so we're making a new script called Piece Spawner for our Piece Spawner. So right now, what is the sorcery? This is Godot. We are coding. I'm trying to bring games to life. So we are going to call the variable current. Tetramino. And so we're going to say the current Tetramino variable is going to equal shared dot capital letters matter here. So we're going to do share tetramino values, and we're going to have it pick random. So just choose a random tetramino. Perfect to work alongside. I finally ordered drawing tablet, which arrived today. Hey, that's awesome. That's awesome, cats. Yes, yes. we'll save. So all the piece spawner is going to do, so we can it's double, right? No, it's just single. Spawner uses the Tetramino values to choose a random Tetramino. And so we're going to make a new node, calling it board. And then we'll add script. And so one thing that I'm doing every single time is that I am going inside the files. And normally this wants to put it in the scenes, like having the scripts for each node in the scenes. And we are just pulling it and making it so that it's in our scripts folder, so that appears down here. Thank you, Barley, for the reminder that I'm cute. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we're going to start with making a function, spawn Tetramino, having the type of Tetramino be shared dot Tetramino. So you can sort of see we can just keep on using. Oh, okay, so we have it where it's the type shared Tetramino, and then we have is next piece. And spawn position. So spawn Tetramino. Type shared TET ROMINO is next piece spawn position. Well, we'll find out. So we're going to now make a new variable. Oh, okay, so this is going to say, so we're going to make the variable of tetramino data, and what it's going to do is it's going to go look in our data that we have and look to see the tetramino pieces in here. Interesting. So we're going to do something interesting. We're going to create an entirely new scene. So we'll save it and throw it into our scene. Oh, so we're using it so we have the tetramino, and it's going to have it where we, in the reference for our board, refers to it's spawning in the tetramino there, basically. And so before anything, we need to do we need to start exporting. Oh. Hi, Yagami. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Thank you for now the 18 months at tier 1. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I hope you're doing well. Yes, hi, how are you? How are you? Excuse me. My apologies. Hope you're doing also. Yeah, this is just, this is a rumor going around, definitely a rumor, that I may have, definitely maybe, have hurt my knee severely. But the good news is that I don't think it's broken. It may be chipped or have hairline fractures in it, but it's not broken. It's not like a clear fracture, so that's good, right? Definitely a rumor. Exactly. But yeah, besides that, doing okay. Pain doesn't stop me. But yeah, I hope you're doing well. And hi, Cinder. And Steph, thank you for having me on the background while playing Stardew. Exactly what this is supposed to do. Watch Sunny disprove that rumor. I did not fracture my kneecap. At most, I did hairline fractures. So, I win. But yeah, I hope you all are doing well. And thank you again, Yagami, for continuing your sub. I appreciate it. No kneecap privileges for me. Yeah, exactly. I can't have my kneecaps anymore. They've been revoked. It's unfortunate. Okay, so we're going to export the Tetramino scene, this one, right here, as a pack scene. It simplifies interface to a scene file, provides access to operations and checks that can be performed on the scene resource itself. Interesting. So it loads the scene and renders the scene, it seems. Ooh. And so we can go to our scenes and actually just put Tetramino scene right in there. So we'll make a new script. As always, I'm going to go throw it into scripts. And so we'll be making a class name. So we're just making the class name for Tetramino. So now we're going to go back. We're going to do we do variable Tetramino equals Tetramino scene. Tetramino scene dot instantiate as Tetramino. What does this mean? Instantiates the scene's node hierarchy, triggers child seed instantiations. Interesting. Yawn. Sunny, are you breaking my kneecap now? Why are you breaking my kneecap? Thought you loved me. Why would you want to break my kneecap? She just wants a piece of my knee so she can carry it around. Not like that's weird at all or anything. Yeah. Some tough love, exactly. 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 I just want every piece of you to myself. Do you think you could take it in more whole pieces? If you hurt your kneecaps, and not saying you did, would that make getting older even worse? Yeah, probably. Probably wouldn't be the best. So, now... Now we're in the actual resource for the Tetramino. And we're going to start making variables. Oh, I need to back up. So we're basically setting up the two variables for the data, and then if it's the next piece. So we head back to board. Okay, so we're going to say that Tetramino data is equal to Tetramino data. So we're basically applying what we can, and then we can do it then also having the is next piece. So we're basically saying the Tetramino data and the Tetramino is next piece is this equal to the equations. Tetramino. Tetramino. I don't know why it's saying it's not declared as a current scope. It's not because of the capital, is it? No. Is it because it wants the capital here? No. Why are you erroring out? Do I already have it where... Oh. There we... And that fixes everything. I had a spelling mistake. A simple spelling mistake throws up all those errors. I'm going to have to go back and once we actually get things like solidified, I'm going to need to write notes for what each thing does. That's how debugging goes. Yep, there's just one domino, it's causing everything to fall, and you're like, what the heck? Where is that one domino? Okay. That's so... Now we're going to have it that if is next piece equal to false, then can set the tetramino position is equal to tetramino. I am not being able to type today. Tetramino data, and then we have our spawn position. Okay. Okay. There we go. So I need to use Control Enter to continue an if statement and continue that. Got it. Okay. So that then we can be able to add in the child. And then we have it where's the tetramino. And so if we, this is shown as the example in the tutorial, if we try to run it, we just have it where it's only our board. And that's because while we do have the different data applied to everything, we don't have them actually coming into the game. So we'll go to spawner. Oh, okay. So if we go to main and we're in Peace Spawner. Hi, Rin. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Okay, so in our spawner, we're going to basically pull the board out. Not exactly what we wanted, but I can fix it here. It's equal to that. How's it going? Oh, it's going well. Thank you for asking. Yeah, we're just being able to do a little bit. We're doing just a little bit of coding, some co-working, so you'll be able to sit back, work on stuff, or just sit back and relax. Just whatever you're looking for. It's all good here. Annie, thank you for reminding me that I'm cute. I am cute. Thank you, thank you. And thank you for checking in. And Annie, you cute. Know you. Know you. Oh, okay, so we're going to go back a little bit because we need to add a class name. And so basically we're being able to give our script its own class by giving it a class name up here. So you can see we can call it right here now. So basically everything that we did there is that we classified everything. So now we can actually be able to have autocompletes for everything. Sort of see we're auto-completing it all now. So what we're setting up for the board is that we're saying if the current tetramino, if there is no current tetramino, make sure to put null in there, so nothing. Makes sense? It makes logical sense, but maybe is a little bit weird or a little bit off when you're not used to coding. Right now we're trying to say that if there's nothing, display nothing. So if I press play, so one thing that he was showing is that if we go into remote, so if you press play, it opens up a local and a remote. And a remote is a tree doc of what's happening right now in the game. And so you can see that now we have a Tetramino in our board as a child node. So we don't have anything in there yet, but you can sort of see we're getting there. We're starting to get there. Having a Tetramino spawn. That's all we wanted to do, is just spawn. Sorry, throat frog. Okay. So let's keep going. And now we're on a section called Showing Tetramino. Oh, actually, we should go through and put our comments to everything. So let's put our comments in. Let's be good coders. So we have our spawner here. And then we have, if there is no, then display null. Okay. Okay, so we got those two. This that we have right here is calling board node has the variable board. Okay. So we got that, have that. We don't have the Tetramino done yet. And Tetramino, we don't have that. Okay, so we got piece spawner, and then we have everything in board. This gives a class name board. Scripts. Hi Ace, welcome in, welcome in. Okay, so this is the one that I'm trying to understand a little bit more, where a pack scene is rendering the scene, and that's to the best of my knowledge. And so what we're going to do here, this variable is giving Tetramino the shared data the I, J, L, all the different data types of the tetraminos. And this one is giving the tetraminos being instantiated. These two are just defining the data and these variables as said variables. And then I'm just here to listen to the nice voice and look like I'm not cute. Well, thank you for coming in, Ace. And so this is actually beginning to give definition to spawning tetraminos in our board scene. Okay. All the comments. All of the comments that we can. So, right now, I'm still trying to heal up a little bit with my knee. And right now it's been hurting. So, I think I am going to raid you guys out just so that I can go lay down and raise up my knee. So, I'm going to raid you all out. Get you all into some more ASMR. Well, thank you for being able to come in. We were able to work for about an hour, which an hour is a good hour to be putting into just learning how to code. So I hope you all do amazingly. And thank you all for being able to be awesome. So we're going to go right out to Tayu, because Tayu's just Tayu. Tayu's awesome and he's really great and just awesomely supportive. So let's go give Tayu some love. Again, thank you all for being able to be around and just be a part of me learning how to code. I hope that you all have an amazing night. The next 2 days I'll be working on getting some more metaphor done. So I hope you all will be able to come by, watch me play some metaphor. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up, I think. So I'm excited. But I hope I can be able to see you all then. Thank you again. Thank you again. And please, all of you, have an amazing, amazing, amazing night. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. 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 I hope you all liked the new little layout also. Thank you again. Bye-bye.